Hey everyone, Corey Parks again, back to talk about another question that we're getting asked quite often here recently. Is the project going to be loud, and can we stay here in the home while HydroHelp911 and our teams are performing the work? The answer to that is 99% of the time, yes. Most of our work, even though you may hear it, typically isn't too loud to interrupt your day-to-day processes and day-to-day things that you may be doing. There are times where we may have to use big jackhammers, such as if we're in basements. There may be a half a day or a whole day to where it's going to be super loud. That's something that you can talk to the system designer, our office, or the foreman on the first day to find out what day that is. But most of the time, that work is fairly quick. And it is something that, if you got a lot of phone calls or Zoom calls that you need to be a part of, you may have to go to, somewhere like Starbucks. That's something that you can definitely coordinate with the foreman, kind of figure out what that timeline looks like. But generally speaking, if we're working in a crawl space or we're installing helical piers or doing foundation repair outside, the work is not going to be too loud. You should be just fine in your house. Not saying you won't hear us, but it shouldn't interrupt any phone calls or Zoom calls or anything like that. If we're working in your basement, definitely talk to your system designer and definitely talk to your foreman on the first day of the job. We will have to use jackhammers for that kind of work, but hopefully this answers your question on will it be too loud and will I be able to stay in my home.